An engineering marvel. To make commuting more efficient for residents of Taipei and New Taipei City, government officials are constructing a circular metro line that will pass through these densely populated areas and connect with the existing lines of the Taipei Metro system. The circular line, or yellow line, is an elevated medium-capacity rapid transit system. All stations have been designed with natural lighting, transparency, and spaciousness in mind. Stage 1 of the line is about 15.4 kilometers long, consisting of 14 stations. Dapingling Station, an existing underground station on the Green Line of Taipei Metro, will serve as a transfer hub to the circular line. The circular line will connect Dapingling Station in southern New Taipei City to New Taipei Industrial Park in the western part of the city. Jing'an, Banqiao, and Toqianzhuang will also serve as transfer hubs to train stations and other MRT lines, while New Taipei Industrial Park connects passengers to the Taoyuan Airport MRT line. The circular line's train will pass through a wide range of urban area within the densely populated New Taipei City. The line's 17 driverless trains each consist of 4 carriages, with a total of 68 carriages manufactured by Hitachi Rail Italy, owned by Absaldo Breda. To ensure safety and punctuality, CBTC radio signaling systems will be installed on the trains so that train traffic can be managed via telecommunication. International architect Emmanuel Moriot, who specializes in large-scale color projects, has been commissioned to design the color scheme for the stations and carriages. Constructed by Taiwan's RCEA Engineering Corporation, Stage 1 broke ground 7 years ago at a reported estimated cost of $1.8 billion. Stage 2 of the circular line is scheduled to be open to the public in June of 2018. Here's more amazing transportation systems to make getting around easier.
Hyperloop full test run to take place in Vegas. Hyperloop One is planning to run the world's first full-size Hyperloop test within the next few months. Hyperloop One announced last week that it plans to execute a full test within the next 3 months at Apex Industrial Park in Las Vegas. According to a company spokesman, the test run will cover 500 linear meters. In May 2016, the company successfully tested its levitating electromagnetic motor on an open-air sled, reaching speeds of 116 miles per hour. The company said it is planning to have a full Hyperloop system ready to transport freight by 2020. The Hyperloop is based on the idea by Elon Musk of levitating pods powered by an electric propulsion system that would travel in near vacuum tubes at speeds of over 700 miles per hour. According to Musk's calculations, a Hyperloop trip from San Francisco to Los Angeles could be made in under 40 minutes. Hyperloop One says that after the full test run, it plans to extend the tube into a few kilometers.
China's new smart trains. A city in China has launched a test run for a futuristic urban transport system that's being called the world's first smart train. Described as a cross between a train, tram, and bus, the autonomous rail rapid transit is a 32-meter electric vehicle that runs at a maximum speed of 70 kilometers per hour. The ART is equipped with sensors to help it read road dimensions as it travels along a virtual track made up of dotted white lines painted on the road. The smart train has 3 carriages and is capable of carrying up to 300 passengers. The self-driving system uses rubber tires instead of steel wheels and can travel up to 25 kilometers after a 10-minute charge. At the moment, the train traverses a 3.1-kilometer route, traveling through 4 stations in the city of Zhuzhou in the country's Hunan province. A longer route is being planned, with the transport system aiming to eventually expand to other cities.
Airbus unveils a flying taxi. Airbus has announced its development of a flying taxi, which aims at solving traffic congestion worldwide. Airbus's electric flying vehicle is currently named the City Airbus. Test flights will be conducted in enclosed flight corridors at the National University of Singapore in mid-2017. The drones can travel to and from locations on the campus and port. Researchers plan to develop a machine vision system to allow the City Airbus to detect obstacles and function completely autonomously. Airbus says it envisions customers ordering rides in the future with their smartphones and City Airbus vehicles landing outside their front doors. AIRBUS is targeting this product to transport service providers such as Uber. They believe sharing the cost of a flying taxi by multiple customers could lower the price to nearly the same as a normal taxi ride.
Dubai to introduce flying drone taxis this summer. Need to go to work, but don't feel like waiting in rush hour? Dubai is set to go all Jetsons this summer by offering flying drone taxis. The Dubai Roads and Transport Authority has announced it will start operating drone taxis in July along predetermined routes. They will be using the EHang 184 autonomous quad-opener electric drone to shuttle people around the city via air. The EHang 184 drone can carry one passenger with a maximum weight of 220 pounds. The drone can fly 31 miles on one charge at a top speed of 100 miles per hour, although officials said their drones will operate at 62 miles per hour. Passengers will board the drone, buckle into a harness, and select a destination on the touchscreen before taking off. The EHang drones will be monitored through a central command center on the ground.